Hey everyone, this is Jeff from the Walnut Log, and I'm bringing you episode 9 of Wednesday Wisdom, brought to you exclusively by the Woodworking Shows. Today's tip is on flute direction when using a bowl gouge. If I'm making my cuts to the right, my flute direction also needs to face to the right. If I'm making cuts or scrapes to the left, my flute direction needs to face the left. If I'm getting catches, it may simply be that my flute is open to a much more aggressive position. Simple way that you can know whether or not your tool is being presented in an aggressive manner is to take something like a Sharpie marker and draw a line straight down the center of your flute, just like that. When I'm presenting the tool to the workpiece, I want my flute facing somewhere between 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock when cutting to the right. I should not see that red line. If I can see that red line, then my tool is being presented in a very aggressive manner and I may get a catch. Same goes for when making cuts or pulling scrapes to the left. My tool should be positioned somewhere between 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Again, if I can see that red line, my tool is probably being presented in a manner that is very aggressive. This has been your Wednesday Wisdom, brought to you exclusively by the Woodworking Shows. Go out there and turn something cool.